Looking for the best engine air filter that are actually worth your money? Today, I've picked the top 5 best engine air filter that are available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and customer reviews. You can find the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick: KAX Engine Air Filter. The KAX Premium Engine Air Filter is a dependable replacement for a wide range of Ford, Lincoln, Mazda, and Mercury vehicles, delivering reliable engine protection and consistent performance. Built with high-performance filter media, it captures up to 99.9% of harmful airborne particles while maintaining optimal airflow, helping improve throttle response, fuel efficiency, and overall engine performance. Its specially embossed filter material offers exceptional dust-holding capacity and crease stability, ensuring effective filtration even under demanding driving conditions. With a service life of up to 20,000 miles, this filter reduces replacement frequency and maintenance costs compared to standard air filters. Precision engineered to match OEM fitment, installation is straightforward and secure, making it an excellent choice for routine maintenance. Whether you drive in city traffic or on dusty roads, this air filter provides long-lasting protection, supports cleaner engine operation, and helps extend engine life with dependable, high-quality filtration. Next up is Kandan Engine Air Filter. The Kandan Advantage Plus Air Filter is an excellent upgrade for drivers seeking dependable engine protection and long-lasting performance. Constructed from premium, durable materials, it delivers up to 18,000 miles of reliable service, 50% longer than many standard 12,000-mile air filters, reducing maintenance frequency and replacement costs. Its advanced filter media captures up to 99% of harmful contaminants while maintaining strong airflow, helping your engine breathe efficiently for smoother acceleration, consistent power, and improved fuel economy. The precision-engineered design ensures a proper fit and straightforward installation, making routine maintenance quick and hassle-free. Ideal for daily commuters and long-distance travelers alike, this filter provides excellent protection against dust, dirt, and debris that can shorten engine life. Backed by a 1-year limited warranty, the Kandan Advantage Plus Air Filter combines durability, high filtration efficiency, and extended service intervals, making it a smart, cost-effective choice for maintaining optimal engine health and performance. Coming in at number 3 is FEAM Engine Air Filter. The FEAM Extra Guard Engine Air Filter is a dependable replacement designed for a wide range of Infiniti, Nissan, Subaru, Saab, and other compatible vehicles, making it an excellent choice for routine engine maintenance. Its advanced filter media effectively traps dirt, dust, pollen, and other harmful contaminants while maintaining strong, consistent airflow, allowing the engine to perform efficiently without unnecessary restriction. This balance of high filtration and optimal airflow helps improve throttle response, supports better fuel economy, and promotes smoother overall engine performance. The precision-fit design ensures a quick, hassle-free installation that most vehicle owners can complete in just a few minutes without special tools. By preventing damaging particles from entering critical engine components, the filter helps reduce wear and extend engine life. Whether you drive in urban traffic or dusty environments, the FEAM Extra Guard Air Filter delivers reliable protection, consistent performance, and excellent value for everyday driving. Now number 4, A Premium Engine Air Filter. The A Premium Engine Air Filter is a high-quality replacement designed specifically for the 2010 to 2017 GMC Terrain with 2.4L, 3.0L, and 3.6L engines, offering an ideal balance of engine protection and performance. Built with fine filtration media, it effectively captures dust, dirt, pollen, and other harmful contaminants while maintaining unrestricted airflow, allowing the engine to operate efficiently. This improved airflow supports smoother acceleration, consistent power delivery, and better fuel economy while reducing the risk of premature engine wear. Manufactured to meet OEM specifications, the filter provides a precise fit for quick, hassle-free installation without modifications. Its durable construction ensures dependable filtration throughout its service life, making it an excellent choice for routine maintenance. Replacing the filter at the recommended interval helps preserve engine efficiency, extend engine life, and maintain optimal performance, making the A Premium Engine Air Filter a reliable and cost-effective solution for everyday driving. Finally, our last pick is Febreze Engine Air Filter. The PureFlow Cabin Air Filter is an outstanding upgrade for Ford Transit and E-Transit models, delivering cleaner cabin air without relying on artificial fragrances. Its advanced 4-layer filtration system combines high-grade activated charcoal and baking soda to absorb and neutralize odors at the source while capturing dust, pollen, soot, pet dander, and other airborne pollutants. Unlike scented filters that simply mask unpleasant smells, this filter leaves the cabin naturally fresh and comfortable. Engineered to maintain optimal HVAC airflow, it ensures efficient heating and cooling performance without restricting air circulation. Designed as a direct replacement for Ford BK21-19G244AA and BK2Z19N619A, it provides an accurate OEM-style fit and installs quickly, with QR code-guided, vehicle-specific instructions that make replacement easy in under 10 minutes for most vehicles. Combining effective odor control, excellent filtration efficiency, and hassle-free installation, the PureFlow cabin air filter is a reliable choice for improving in-cabin air quality and everyday driving comfort. So those were the top 5 best engine air filter you can buy right now. If this video helped you make a better buying decision, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.